Hi, Brandon here at Glenpak. Today I'm doing a review on what they call a DY2014A or a DZB. These particular machines are tray sealers, as they would be known in the market. We bring in a range of these machines. Some of them we import on request, some are held as stock items. This particular machine as a cup sealer is also very popular. This is a tray food sealer. We tend to bring in the sizing for things like the clear film in the two heights, be it the slightly lower one and a slightly higher one. These are used popularly for things like fruits. We have guys using it for salad, items like that. They are microwavable. The ones that come in the black color, same thing, come in the two different height sizes. Very popular for meat, things that are going to go in the fridge and freezer. Once again, microwavable, as they are also possible to be frozen. What is popular about this particular machine? This particular machine is a semi-automatic unit. It uses the one-arm banded pull and seal, so it does help bring the price down a little bit. We manufacture the shape of this in our manufacturing plant overseas. You cannot interchange the physical shape of it unless it is made overseas. We usually make them to suit a product or a size of a tray that we make it sampling for. This is our generic one, though we can make it to suit other people's special requirements. The machine itself, the amount of trays or cups you can put in a machine like this depends on the size of your platform and how many you can fit in for the physical cutter to seal. Setting a unit like this is fairly easy. You have your virgin plastic at the back that goes up and over. You've got your laser eyes that pick up your independent stop points. You've got your guides on either side. I usually place the guides on the inner cuts just to help pull this out a little bit when it runs past, like you can see here. On that side, not so necessary because of the fact that it's still uncut. Usually put those guides on the outside to keep it in a straight line, to allow for the laser eye to pick it up. To change this is very easy. When you finish, you would just cut it, unscrew it, take off the core, you would put on a new core or unroll this one from your old core, because obviously your old one would be finished. You would put on a little bit of tape, turn it once or twice, lock it up with a little bit of a brake that goes into your gearing over here to allow for the pickup. That sets up for your pickup and release. This particular machine, to set the height lift at the bottom here, there is a little pedal at the bottom here. You just use an ordinary star screwdriver, you loosen the two screws. What that does is it lifts your plate and it allows it to do the auto release. So if you go like this, you can see it just lifts it as you go in like that. Helps you take it out pretty quick and easy. Usually you'll adjust a little bit higher to take the smaller ones. This one is maybe a little bit low. If I put the small one in, I think I could have adjusted it a little bit higher. But for the reasons of this video, we'll show you how it works. So, we take your tray, you put your tray in, obviously you have your product inside of it. You put it in like that. Once it's in, you'll pull your one-arm bandage down. You'll probably hold it for say 1, 2, 3, and then you just release it. Then with that one there, you pull it out. You got your one seal. You put your second one in, same thing, you push it in, 1, 2, 3, give you your release, you seal again. And you can pretty much do this all day long if you wish. So it does a very nice seal if you look at it. It does a full-on lock and seal. The cut is very smooth because the teeth are very small. You can have these made with little pullaways and stuff. The film we use here, this is an easy release film. You do get them in different permanent and easy release. This particular one, you'll see if we do this, it releases. So that is the easy release film with the PET cup themselves or tray, with the DY2014 model. Very popular, awesome little machine. I think it's well costed for its application. Great for shops, great for takeaways. Great for anyone who wants to just become a little bit more professional, up their game, sell to more retail or wholesale industries. This is the unit. If you wish for a larger machine, we do supply the slightly larger fullies in stock as well. And we've got the larger units that can be customized to your requirement, be it for liquid, be it for granular, be it for something else, maybe 1 or 2 mixes in the fill. But yeah, I hope you learned something new about the cup tray sealers. And if you want more information, please give us a call at Glenpak and let us help design your needs for your trays. Thank you so much.